Buongiorno belli amici, welcome to Calabria Dreaming. I have another amazing property for you guys to consider in the beautiful town of Staletti, which is about 10 minutes away from Soverato. And this property sits on top of a little hill that overlooks Montauro and Pietragrande. I'm going to show you guys the views, but just wanted to give you guys an overshot of like where you are. This is like a little gated community. It's really cute. They have tennis courts here and like security, and it's really cute. And there's all these like little random houses. This is probably the best one here because it has a huge piece of land. So let me just show you guys, like, look how beautiful this garden is. Like, good morning, how nice. Look at this beautiful tree. Is this oak? It looks like it's oak. All right, so this is the house. It's 150 square meters. They're asking 275,000 euros, which to me is such a steal considering the position and how big the garden is. So before we go into the house, I just want to show you like the garden area. It's really big. Buongiorno, Manuel. Buongiorno. He's my friend, an agent here. So this fountain, and like I love this grass. I'm a total grass snob. If you have crappy grass, like I just can't live my life that way. So anyways, look how big this front yard is, right? And you got a little driveway in. And then in the back, you have this little back area, which is so cute. Looks like you have an olive tree up in here. Some other trees. Look at this little hammock over here. And I also wanted to show you guys just the garage and like little workshop that you have. Like if you're in need of a like little workshop. Look how cute this area is though. Like, yes. And then as you go behind here, you have a little man shed for all those men out there that just want to tear things apart and build them back up. You got that. And then also you have a little garage over here. So I'm just taking you guys around the perimeter of the house. So this is the side of the house. And then this is your own little garage. Look at that. And it pulls right up into the kitchen. So yeah, really great garden. It's all fenced in, which is really great if you have kids. And yeah, the house has good structure, good bones. So now I'm gonna take you guys inside. The family is still living here, so I'm gonna try to shoot around them. But let me just give you another like look at the house. Of course, it's another beautiful day in Calabria. All right, guys, let's go inside the house. So the family just left. So they have a baby that's only 14 months old. They're so cute. All right, I just wanted to see you walk right into the kitchen and look at this kitchen, you guys. This is very rare in Italy to have such a big kitchen, and it's nice wood. Looks like it's been, you know, really enjoyed. So this is the wide shot of the kitchen. And it also has a fireplace. It actually has two working fireplaces. So imagine this roaring fireplace. And what I like is that these doors have all been replaced, so they're all brand new. And that this opens right out into your garage area. So the kitchen is really big, and I love the open concept. And then over here, you have the living room / TV room / baby room, which is really big and spacious. And I love how tall the ceilings are. And then this is a door that goes out to the front porch as well. So the front veranda. And again, another beautiful fireplace. Like, I love the fireplace. Just imagine no toys anywhere. But like really great. And I like these big French doors that open out to the kitchen. So you kind of have, you know, a little open concept idea. And then over here is a little cantina, which I'm not going to go in there. And then look at this beautiful marble staircase. So we go up here to the 3 very spacious bedrooms. So I don't think the furniture is included in this. So just imagine it completely empty. All right, so right off to the left, we have the first bedroom. And I just want to point out how big these ceilings are. Like, it's very tall. You got a fan up in here, which probably comes in handy when it's super hot. But new windows again, and there's also heaters. So the heaters work as well. And as we go to the second bedroom, off to the left, this is the baby's room. So it's a little smaller, but it's actually quite nice. And then it opens out to the terrace, which I'm going to show you, which is amazing. Also, just to point out, you have a beach view from basically all the windows. Look at that. Let me, so yeah, that's Montalto right there. Let me see if I can give you guys a better shot. So anyways, this is the bedroom from this angle. All right, pretty big. Again, very tall ceilings, which makes it feel so much more spacious. And then here is the bathroom, toilet and bidet. It's very funky. I like this tile, but could use an upgrade. But if you kind of, if you're kind of into that vintage Italian feel. All right, so this is the bathroom. All right, bedroom number 1. And then over here we have the master. So look at this bedroom. I mean, great light. And then over here we have the second bathroom. So a little box shower, but much bigger than it normally is. All right, let me take you guys out to the terrace. Oh, so this terrace also goes into the baby's bedroom. And look, oof. Look at this terrace. Oh, so you overlook your garden, your fabulously manicured garden. And then over here, you have the beach view. So look at that. The Mediterranean Sea, guys. Right there, 5-minute drive down the hill. All right, I'm going to show you one more view from the other bedroom. I forgot to do that. And then look at your neighbors. Like, you have really other cute little houses around you. It's a really cute neighborhood. Actually, one of my friends lives right down the street, and he loves it here. All right, so let me just show you that last view. Alrighty, so that's over here. I love this railing. Very nice work. All right, let's go see this view from over here. See, there you go. There it is. This is what we're talking about. Sea view. Alrighty, guys. All right. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Obviously, for serious inquiries, please contact me at calabriadreaming@gmail.com. Check out our website, www.calabria.com, calabriadreaming.com. And yeah, the price again is $275 and 150 square meters and huge piece of land and garage and workshop shed. All right, guys, so I'm going to say ciao from Bella Calabria and leave you with this beautiful, beautiful view. Ciao.